Hello, this is Liquid Ocelot, and guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, a lot of people have been complaining that they cannot connect their YouTube accounts to their Discord ID, and I decided to make a video on this because the complaints were too many, and I thought I could give some guidance. Uh, troubleshooting troubleshooting this issue. Now, once you are on your main Discord page, go to user settings and then on connections. Now, uh, this is your YouTube, so click it and they'll ask you to sign in and stuff. But what if this doesn't happen and you don't see any of these options over here? Nothing pops up or some problems occur, and your YouTube channel is not displayed on your Discord account. Well, the problems can vary. Maybe update your Discord Discord application. However, if the problem still remains, you can always go to twitter.com/discord, and here you can write issue regarding this. So what I'm going to do here is go over here for you guys, because go to home, and over here I'm going to write Discord, and what I'm going to do is spacebar, and then I'm going to go back, go to my videos, and go to my what do you call it, my Discord video. Yes, this one. And I'm going to tell them that people are complaining about this issue. Maybe somebody contacts you guys. They are, please help my community. They are asking for troubleshooting guide regarding connecting YouTube account to Discord. Here is my video. All comments, many comments are complaining regarding this matter. You see, I made this tweet just for you guys. And the second thing that you can do is you can make a similar tweet, maybe. And the second thing what you can do is go to this link, support.discord.com, and here you can submit a request. Like, I went to help and support, and you can type your email and type your question, subject, attachment, everything, platform, and just submit it. I'll post this link in the description of the video, as well as the tweet as well, Twitter account as well. Please let me know in the comment section below if these troubleshooting guides helped you resolve your issue or not. Thanks for watching. I'll be signing off. Take care.